Hello everyone. Today we will explain a little about our module entitled Type of Multimedia Equipment for Business. Praise be to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, we present types of multimedia from business, project-based learning, a guide for exploring multimedia through the PBLL approach. This module introduces multimedia tools and their business application, providing a valuable insight and inspiration for starting business. We thank everyone who support this creation. We hope this module benefit and inspires readers, leading to a more interactive learning experience. Enjoy exploring multimedia and business. Multimedia in business covers various formats at serving important function. First, for presentations. Second, for videos. Third, for webinar and live streaming. Fourth, for interactive website and apps. Fifth, for social media content. To six, for digital signage. Welcome to your module discussing using multimedia for business improvement. In today's digital era, the use of multimedia is not just an option, but has become an important requirement for every business that wants to remain relevant and competitive in the market. This model is designed to provide in-depth insight into how various types of multimedia, such as video, animation, interactive graphic, and sound, can be effectively integrated in a business marketing and communication strategy. Multimedia combine text, image, video, audio, and interactive graphic to create engine's experience. It conveys information more effectively than conventional media, enhancing communication and retention. In business, multimedia is essential for marketing, branding, training, and internal communication. It reaches a wider audience, increases brand awareness, attracts profits, and boosts customer retention through high quality content. Multimedia also educates customer, improve product, and provide support via tutorial. Here there is a content table. Chapter 1. Get to know more about the type of multimedia equipment. Definition of multimedia. Do you guys know multimedia? What is multimedia? Multimedia refers to the integration of text, audio, image, animation, video, and interactive content to convey information, entertain, or engage an audience. This combination enhances the presentation and creates a more impressive experience. Type multimedia equipment. 1. Digital camera. A digital camera is a that does not really on negative film. That camera is the second most important piece of photography equipment. This is where the camera sensor is very sensitive. 2. Camera video. A camera video is a recording device capable of saving digital image from analog image mode. 3. Scanner. A scanner is a tool that functions like a photocopy, namely by entering data through lighting and the translating it into digital form. For LCD projector, LCD projector are tools that are often used for presentation media because they are compatible of displaying large sets image. 5. Webcam. Webcam is the term for a real-time camera whose image can be accessed or viewed via the World Wide Web, instant messaging program, or video call application. 6. Printer. A printer is a piece of hardware that is connected to a computer and has the function of printing text, image, and other display from a computer into paper or similar print media. 7. Handset. Handset is a combination of handphone and microphone. This tool is usually used to listen to sound and talk to communication device or computer. 8. Notebook. A notebook, often referred to as a notebook computer or a laptop, is a portable personal computer that integrated all the components of the desktop computer. 9. Handphone. Mobile phone, or what we often handphone, are equipment that we really need nowadays, both for communication with family, for business, and communication with friends.
Computer. The computer is an electronic device that progresses data according to a set of instructions of the program. It is the program with the frequency of the text from the basic arithmetic operation to a complex simulation of data analysis. Monitor. The monitor, also known as display, the screening of visual display unit, is the output device used to display information from the computer visualization. It is the functioning composition of the computer system, offering the offers interface to interface with the computer. CPU. CPU, the control computation unit, often referred to as the brain of the computer, is primarily the component responsible for interpreting and executing the most of the components from the computer and hardware and software. Function of the type of multimedia equipment. 1. A digital camera. Number 2. The camera video. Number 3. The scanner. Number 4. The LCD project. Number 5. Webcam. Number 6. The printers. Number 7. Headset. Number 8. Notebook. Number 9. Handphone. Number 10. Computer. Number 11. Monitor. CPU.
Chapter 2. Business that can be done from multimedia equipment. After knowing more about the types of multimedia equipment, this chapter will discuss the multimedia business. Number 1. Camera digital. Camera digital can use for wedding photographer, photojournalist, and then travel photographer. Number 2. Camera video. Camera video can make video marketing, videography, and vlogger. Number 3. Scanner can use for CT scan, scan KTP, print the image. Number 4. LCD projector can use for the presentation business, bioscope mini, rental projector. And then number 5. Notebook can use for scriptwriter, designer graphic, and programmer. Number 6. Handphone can use for Instagram apps, online shop, and day trader. And then number 7. Computer can use for streamer, designer interior, and editor. And then division business multimedia refers to the use of visual and interactive technologies to enhance communication, presentation, and collaboration in a business environment. Mission. Number 1. Building and developing human resource who are creative, innovative, competitive, have noble character, and have a national perspective. Number 2. Create educational programs in the field of creative industries based on multimedia business. Number 3. Develop, apply, and disseminate technology in creative industry based on needs of society, the business world, and industry. Overview. Multimedia business involves the integration and use of various forms of media, including text, audio, image, animation, video, and interactive content. And then key component, content creator and production graphic designer. Number 1. Creating visual. Number 2. Video production. Number 3. Audio production. Number 4. Animation. And then content management and distribution. Number 1. Content management system, CMS. Number 2, Digital Assessment Management, DAM. Number 3, Streaming Service. Number 4, Social Media. Digital Marketing and Advertising. Number 1, SEO and SEM. Number 2, Social Media Marketing. Number 3, Email Marketing. Number 4, Content Marketing. Benefits of multimedia in business. Number 1, enhance engagement. Number 2, improved communication. Number 3, increase rich digital distribution channel allow business to reach a wider audience. Number 4, better learning and retention. Number 5, higher conversion rates. Multimedia business plays a crucial role in today's digital economy, offering innovative ways to communicate, educate, entertain, and engage with audience. Practical experience and project. This section discuss how the project-based language learning approach is applied in types of multimedia for business. The following elements are discussed in part 3. Number 1, in the content of multimedia business, project activities and field interaction involve various stage of planning, development, and execution of multimedia project. Project activities, project planning, recruitment, regulatory. Scope definition, resource allocation. Number 2, collaboration and teamwork are essential components of a successful multimedia business. Number 3, market research and planning. Identify your niche. Competitor analysis. Determine your unique selling proposition. USP. Expanded conclusions for multimedia business in language and culture learning. Establishing a multimedia business focused on language and culture learning is an innovative endeavor that responds to growing demand in an increasingly globalized world. Number 1, enhance learning experience. Number 2, cultural immersion. Number 3, accessibility and flexibility. And then chapter 3, closing. Multimedia business is a pretty good business and is very much needed. Moreover, this business is quite profitable for prospective young people who want to start a business in multimedia. Apart from being profitable, multimedia business is also a business that doesn't require too much sweat. Hopefully, this book is useful for everyone who reads it. This book is not purely the result of the author's thought, but there are many references and sources that helped in making this book. And then, this is my biodata team. Thank you.